Right now we need to work on this added blocks. So what I can do here, just have the random data again. Okay, so you can generate it according to you. So what I can do, I just want to show the data here again. So what I can do here, first of all, class name, you can say it as a padding of 4, and I just need to copy one thing from the wherever you want to, like add blocks or whatever you want to, like this add screen, and afterwards this thing, copy it and paste it somewhat here, and you can have the height of screen, height screen, and that is it. What I need to do is just copy this thing from this div. I am copying this thing from the all blocks component. Okay, so paste it somewhat here, we can paste it here, and afterwards I don't want to have the things like this. I just want to just wait and watch. I want to have it as a grid, and you can say it as a grid. You can say it as a grid calls of 3. Okay, grid calls of 3, and I don't want this blogs card right now slash div. And what I can do, just have a class name of background white, and rounded somewhat like a Excel. Just before this thing, what I want is h1, and items dot we can say the title. Let us see what is going on. Class name background white rounded Excel, and let us check. Yeah, it's looking something like this, which I don't want right now. I want the padding of 4, and let us see what is going on. It is looking something like this. I just want that I want to have a margin y of 4, and yeah, that's looking great right now. So what I can do is just go to blog card. I don't want to write the same things again and again, so just copy this thing, go to edit blogs, have it here. So let me check what are the things here, and edit blog, and wherever you are having, write the link, just erase that thing here. Okay, so this is what I was wanted, and right now मुझे वो image भी चाहिए, लेकिन image मेरे पास वो आई नहीं. क्यों नहीं आई? Let us see. कि image. Okay, so image is somewhat like here. So copy it, and you can say what you can say. You can say to have the image here, and yeah, that is it. Okay. So right now what I can do is have the things in the center. Okay, have the things in the center. So what I can do, flex items, but before this thing I just want that flex should be column, and my item should be in the center, and justify should also be in the center. Yeah, that is somewhat like this, but the thing is, like, I just want to have div something like this and have it here, and yeah, that's thing. That is the thing which I want. So right now there is no need of height screen, just remove it from here. Yeah. Okay, so basically we can also write that the minimum height screen and maximum height auto. Okay, so you can write according to your need. I think so there is no need of writing it right now. So div, I'm having the div again, class name, margin top of 4, just below this image. Okay, so right now have one more div which will be having 2 buttons, one for the edit, and you can say it as a class name background blue of somewhat like a 600. Text should be white, rounded, padding X should be somewhat like a 4, padding Y should be 2, and that is it. And let us see. Yeah, it is here, and right now I just want to have one more button here which will be delete. Delete. Okay, so background would be red here, and that's it. That is it. But what is the thing right now I am facing is that class name should be width 100%. Okay, and the things are like this should be flex, items which should be in the center, and justify should be between, and there should be a gap of just a 4. Okay, just a 4. But as you can see that अभी ये side में हो गए है ना, ये left में चला गया और right में चला गया. But I don't want these things here, so I can just copy this thing again, copy it, and just paste it here too, and here too, and let us see right now. Okay, so as you can see, it is somewhat like this, and you can now edit and delete whatever the blog you want to delete. And if we will click on this delete button, some API will be called, and if I click on this edit button, so I need to go some particular blog which I need to edit basically. So what I can do here, that if you see, I'm having the add blog here. Okay, I just want to have something similar like this, and okay, so let us see here. What you can do is just, I'm in the admin components, so add blog. Okay, added blogs, and this added blogs, I just want to have one more component. Okay, so I can have one more component of like what I want to give the name as a compo, so that I can have the multiple components inside this. So edit, you can say that the update blog.jsx. So refct, have it here, app.jsx, and just copy this thing again, paste it here, and you can stay in the edit blogs /id. Okay, so /id. You can also say it as something like update blog, and the ID of the blog which you want to update. So I'll be having this thing. Okay, update blog. So how I will call this thing? I want to have it something like a link, not a button. Okay, to / you can say what you can say. You can just say this thing, copy it, and paste it here right now. And this is the error. Okay, so that's fine right now. And if I click on somewhere like this, so I think so I need to give the text center too right now. Text should be in the center. Yeah, that's it. If I click on the edit, and you can see I am right now on the update blog, and my that ID will be just transferred to that URL. Okay, so that is the thing. Right now what I can do is just go to update blog and have a class name of padding 4, and you can say what you can say, height should be of spring, and let me go to add blog here. Sorry, add blog, I think so. Add blog, and let me just copy all these things from there. Copy it, go to update blog, paste it here, and just rename this. You can say it as a update blog, and whatever you want to have, like a update blog. Okay, so update blog somewhat like this is going to be happen here, and जो भी ID वाली होगी उस हिसाब से हम सारा डेटा फैच कर लेंगे बैकएंड से, एंड यहाँ पे हम लोग डेटा डिस्प्ले करवा देंगे, एंड दैट इज इट. ओके, दैट इज इट. हम लोग सारा जब डेटा यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले करवा देंगे, हमारा काम यहीं पे ख़त्म हो जाएगा. एंड राइट नाउ द मेन थिंग द मेन थिंग जो भी हमारी रहती है वो ये है कि हम लोग यहाँ पे लॉग आउट का बटन रखना भूल गए थे इन द साइड बार. सो व्हाट आई कैन डू, आई कैन जस्ट गो टू माई एडमिन डैशबोर्ड, and you can say that the sidebar is div, and I am having this div here right now, and afterwards this div I want to have one more div which will contain my button, and I'll be having the logout option here. Background of somewhat like black, and not a back, it's black, and text white, and padding X of 4, padding Y of 2. So I just want to give the width 100%, and it should be rounded to rounded. Okay, that's it. Yeah, somewhat like this. I just want to log out whenever I want. So that is our just the front end part. So let us now deep dive into the back end.